Good afternoon, student of class 7. I have already completed the explanation of the chapter, that is energy. Now I am going to discuss some question in this class. You have to carefully listen that question, you have to understand that. The mainly I am going to discuss give reason, because that is not given in the book. That you have to solve from your concept, whatever you have understand from this chapter, that you have to apply here. Like D1 question, turbine is the most important part of hydroelectric plant. You have to know what is a hydroelectric plant. Hydroelectric plant means where force of the water is utilized to make the electricity or to produce the electricity. What is the procedure there? A turbine is fitted in that case with the against the flow of the water, where water is flowing with very high speed. A turbine is fitted against the flow of the water. As a result, the water hit the turbine and turbine starts rotating. And you know that when the body is moving, that is actually mechanical energy, or also that can be called kinetic energy. So mechanical energy is produced by the water here. Now turbine is connected with a generator. And you know the function of generator. What is the function of generator? Generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, hence the electrical energy is produced. So you understand that turbine is the most important part of hydroelectric plant. If there is no turbine, the mechanical energy will not be produced and no electricity will be produced. Next is nuclear power plant cannot be constructed in a densely populated area. You know the nuclear power plant means where radioactive element is used to produce electricity. What is done here? You know that radioactive element always release some neutron. If you hit that neutron with some other radioactive element, that will produce huge energy, and that energy is used to produce electricity. And that plant is known as nuclear power plant. But there is some risk in the nuclear power plant, because whatever radiation is there, whatever ray outcome from the power plant, that is very harmful to the human beings. So if you construct it in a very densely populated area, that can harm the residential people. So that should not be constructed near to the populated area. We should be more dependent on renewable source of energy than non-renewable source of energy. Reason: non-renewable source of energy means which have limited store, like coal. We are daily using coal for producing electricity. As a result, the store of the coal is reducing day by day, and as research by the scientists is saying that after a certain time that will be finished, and that will be very bad news for us. And other point is that if you use non-renewable source of energy like coal for producing electricity, that is very much harmful for the environment, because that is produce carbon dioxide, which is harmful for the environment. But instead of that, if you start using of non-renewable source of energy like sun, solar energy, that will less harmful for the environment, and that will that have the source of energy which are producing that type of energy like sun have the unlimited store of energy. So both facility will get if you use renewable energy source. Biomass is a renewable source of energy. Biomass, you know that biomass means, you have read that. Renewable source of energy means, you know that, that have unlimited store, and biomass has also unlimited store. So this is a renewable source of energy. Biomass is a fossil fuel. Fossil fuel means there is a procedure for making this type of fuels. That means this type of fuels is produced if you keep that some plants or any other things below the earth's surface. After many years that become fuels, and biomass is produced in the same procedure. That's why this is known as fossil fuel. I think you have understood the give reasons. If you have further problem, you can ask me the question. Okay, I am going to discuss G, answer in details. Advantage and disadvantage of solar energy. Advantage, it is have unlimited store. It is less harmful for the environment, and it is available allwhere. Disadvantage, for making an industry like solar energy or producer of solar energy, solar panel, that is very costly. And in the country where summer is very rare case, where always there is a winter, or that is known as winter country, in that country solar energy is not available. What are the application of solar energy? Solar energy is applied in the solar heater, solar cooker, and today there is other new instrument is produced from solar energy, like solar calculator, solar jacket, solar fan. What are fossil fuel? I already said that. What are fossil fuel? Give some example. What are the future option of energy? In future, what we can use as producer of energy? We can use sun, biomass, etc. What is conservation of energy? We know that energy is daily wasting, like coal. We are using that daily. That's why storage is really reducing. So we have to conserve it. We have to use whenever we need the energy. Otherwise, we should not waste the energy. That is known as conservation of energy. If you have any other question related to that questions, you can ask me. Thank you.